Serena and Tanya.
Oh. Get anything good? What?
She told me to buy a bra.
Oh, really? Let me see. Classy. Save the receipt though, right?
Hmm.
If you think you're ready for a bra like that, then we'll talk about it, okay?
Serena kind of made fun of her sports bra.
Why?
Because it totally, like, flattens out my boobs. She said that guys would think that I was hotter if I, like, had a better bra.
Does like Serena say